Hey everyone, here we are going to make this beautiful snowflake using blue craft paper. So take a paper, start folding it, make a triangular shape. Now we are going to draw lines on it. We are going to cut it using scissors. Look at the line portion, leave it and cut the another side like we are doing here. Give it shape and it's done. After this we are going to cut the sides as well. Now open it gently and look at the beautiful pattern. You can use it at Christmas decorations. Here we are going to make this beautiful snowflake. So we are folding this blue craft paper, fold it again and make a triangular shape. Then we are going to draw lines on it. We need this type of pattern, so look carefully. We are drawing lines and you have to cut the alternate strip like this using scissors. Cut all of them, cut it from its corners as well. Now open it and look, you'll get this beautiful pattern. You can use it in various festive decorations. Look at this beautiful heart and star shaped snowflake. Let's make it. So we are folding this blue craft paper, cut it from its top. Now we are going to draw a star and a heart shape like this. It will look very pretty. Now start cutting it from its sides. Again we are going to cut it from its bottom portion. Look careful, we don't have to cut the joint. Now carefully open it like this and look, you will get this beautiful pattern. How pretty this is looking, right? Let's make this beautiful pattern of snowflakes. So start folding this blue craft paper and make a triangular shape like this and start drawing lines on it. We need a flower like shape. Then start cutting it using scissors and look, it's done. Now open it gently. Don't tear the other sticks like this and it's done. You can use it in Christmas decorations and various other festive seasons as well. Look at this beautiful snowman snowflake. Let's make it. We're going to fold this blue craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now start drawing the shape of snowman using black pen and it's done. Now we're going to cut it using scissors and look, it's done. Open it and you will get this beautiful snowman snowflake. You can use it for Christmas decorations. Let's make this beautiful snowflake. We are using this blue colored craft paper. You can use whatever color you like. Start drawing it. We are making this leaf pattern on the blue craft paper using black marker and look, we are going to cut it now using scissors. Open it gently and your snowflake is ready. You can make more such snowflakes. You can use it at home decor and festive decor as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.